We're out here in a public park, and as you look around, you see individuals in tents who have come this way because of fear of going back to their homes. Right now, aftershocks are happening each and every day here in Nepal. And because of that, individuals have chosen to come out here in the public park to shelter themselves. As you look around, you see tent after tent with family after family dealing with the trauma associated with earthquakes.
There is a lot of raining from last night here. One of the biggest problems which humanitarian aid workers are facing basically access to these particular areas.
We're in one of the villages that have been heavily affected by the earthquake. The people are still picking up the pieces of what's left of their homes, the rubble, and not much else is left. Anything you can do, anything you can help with, the people of Nepal really need it right now. This is extremely urgent.
Health facilities, food shortages are the major concerns here. Immediate actions are required.